You are welcome to watch this video. This is a square and A refers to the green area where A given by this formula. We need to find the perimeter of this square. How can we find the perimeter? We know the perimeter, we got it by adding these four sides or by multiply one side by 4. If we refer to any side by symbol L, so we can say the perimeter is 4L. Now, how can we get this area in a simple form? You see, we have here numerator and denominator. We can simplify this form by making factorization here and factorization here. What kind of factorization we can do here? Look for the first term here. It's a square of 5x. And this also is a square of y. And the middle term is the product of 5x times y times 2. That means this is a perfect square. So we can write it in simple form as A is 5x plus y times 5x plus y. About the denominator here, we see a common factor 4. Here's 4, here's 2 by 4, here's 4. So we can get 4 as common factor, greatest common factor, and put the rest in the brackets. The rest here will be x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Also, this can be factorized. This is a square of x, this is square of y, and the middle term here is the product of 2 times x times y. That means this is perfect square. We can write it in a simple form as we did in the denominator. So we can write it as 4 times x minus y times x minus y. And of course, the numerator will stay as we wrote it here. And we can just write one bracket and put here a square. Instead of writing these 2 times, we write only one bracket and put a square here. Same, we can do the same thing here. We can write the denominator in simple form as 4 times x minus y to power 2. And this also we repeat it by the same shape without a change. Now, as this is the area, we can get the length of side of a square by getting the square root of this area. Because if you consider the side as L, we know area is L times L, that means L square. So this is like L square. We can get L by taking the square root of L square. So by getting the square root of this form, the result will refer to the side L. So we can say L is the square root of f of 5x plus y squared over 4 times x minus y squared. And this means we can get the result here by removing the square root and the square here. So the result will be 5x plus y. Also, the denominator, we can remove the sign of a square root and the square here. So we got x minus y, and the square root of 4 is 2. So we will get 2 times x minus y. So this is the length of any side of the square. So what's the perimeter? So the perimeter, which is 4 times L, will be 4 times, this is L here. Is there any cancellation? Yes, we can cancel here 2 with 2 here. So still here only 2. The result will be 2 times 5x plus y over x minus y. And this is the perimeter which is wanted to be found. It's done. It's the end of the answer. Okay? Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye-bye.